Hello, welcome to NOKADIGITALS. My name is Isaac Owari, and this tutorial I'm going to show you how to take a full screenshot of your website or any website that you want. If you're a graphic designer or web designer, maybe you may need a screenshot of your website, or you want to look on someone's website to design your own. So I'm going to walk you through how to take a full screenshot of the website. So first of all, you open a new tab. So we open a new tab and then enter Chrome Web Store. And when it opens, click on this and then under the search here, enter GoFullPage. Okay, so this is what GoFullPage, and then click on it. Now it will ask you to add to Chrome, so click on the add to Chrome here and then click on add extension. So it will be added to your Chrome extension. You can see it here. Good. And now when I click on this, you see the GoFullPage here. So click on it. If you want it to appear here, click on this one, and that is it. This is the GoFullPage extension. Now let's say I want to take a screenshot of this website. So what I'll do is I'll click on this and then it will start taking the full screen of the website for me. Good. And now our website has been captured. So when you click on it, you see there's the whole website has been captured now. And after going through and you see that's what you want, you can download it, either a PNG or PDF. So I'll go in for PNG. So click on it to download and click on allow. Good. And it will download it for you. So you click on the folder here to open. So this is it. Double click on it to open for you to view. And then you have your full website. So it has captured the full website for you. So this is another way of capturing the screen of your computer or your website or any other thing that you want to capture on the internet or on your screen. Thank you for watching. Please, if you like this video, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel NOKADIGITALS. Like, comment and share so that others too will have this video. Thank you for watching and see you. Bye bye.